Believe me when I say I know how frustrating it can be to make money online with CPA marketing. And that is why my goal in today's video is to give you the easiest strategy you can use as a complete beginner to start making money with CPA marketing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote CPA offers from United Kingdom. And I already showed a method you can use with CPA lead. I'm going to leave the video right here in case you've not seen that video. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this on CPA Grip. So all you simply need to do is to create a CPA Grip account. And if you don't know how to do that, I already made a complete series on how to create a CPA Grip account. You can check the video right here. Okay, so once you create your CPA Grip account, as you can see right here, I'm going to show you how to get sweet conversions like this from United Kingdom. So like I said, all you need to do is to create a CPA Grip account. And once you create your account, the next step is to then come over to the offer tools section. If you come over here, you want to click on my offers. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to see the top performing offers in the United Kingdom. And as you can see right here, this is the offer where I got all those leads from. As you can see, the payout for this offer is $3.77. And as you can see, my performance for this offer is 100%. And you can see other affiliates as well on CPA Grip are also making serious money promoting this offer right now. So I'm going to show you how to promote this offer in this video. So before we get into the video, make sure to click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page and you can start making serious money with CPA marketing like my students. Here is a result from one of the recent students that joined the CPA mastery course and they are already making a killing with CPA marketing. As you can see, you can use any CPA network of your choice. You don't have to use cpagrip.com, okay? And the platform the student used is adbluemedia.com. This is also another CPA network you can use if you don't want to use CPA Grip. So moving on with the video, you want to click on the offer. As you can see, title of the offer is Get the Latest Gaming Browser Opera GX. And as you can see, this offer is available to people in United Kingdom. And as you can see, all people need to do is to download this browser to their device and you are going to get paid $3.77. It's that easy. Okay, so once you click on the offer, all you simply need to do is to copy your affiliate link. The next step is creating a landing page, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an amazing landing page like this. As you can see, this is a very simple one-page landing page, and once people come over to this page, they know this landing page is about this gaming browser. And as you can see, all they simply need to do is to click on this button, which is then going to take them to that CPA offer. And if they download the app, you make money. So now to create the landing page, all you simply need to do is to go over to breezy.io. This is a free landing page builder you can use to create landing pages in a few minutes. However, you can use other builders of your choice, all right? So once you come over to breezy.io, all you simply need to do is to click on start your free trial. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you want to click on create new project. And if you do that, you want to select the website and landing page option. And now you want to make sure to click on create from scratch. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to click on this plus button. This is where you're going to have access to various templates already provided to you by breezy.io, which you can use to create landing page right away. So now you can select any of these templates or you can click on this create your own to create a landing page from scratch. But in this video, I'm going to take this landing page right here. And the reason I like this template is because of this social proof it has right here. Because once people come over to this landing page and they see these big brands right here, it gives them a lot of confidence to interact with the website, which in turn will increase the conversion rate you're going to get on the website. So you want to come over to the top right here and you want to change the heading to Opera GX Gaming Browser. So once you do this, you then want to come over to this subheading right here and you want to also type in something simple like this relating to the offer. Now the final thing you're going to do on this landing page is to simply go over to YouTube and you want to look for a video about this offer. All right, so if you come over to YouTube and you type in Opera GX Desktop, because this is a desktop offer, you're going to see this video. So you want to then click on the video. So all you need to do from here is to simply copy the link to this video. And you don't have to worry about copyright issues because you are using their own video to promote their own offer, which makes sense. Okay, so once you copy the link to the video, all you simply need to do is to scroll down. You want to click on this play button. If you do that, you want to click on this play button as well. And you want to scroll down to this link. And now you want to delete this existing link and you want to paste in that YouTube video link. Once you do that, you want to then come over to the player section. And this is where you want to remove this thumbnail. Once you do that, it's going to show the thumbnail of that YouTube video automatically, as you can see right here. All right. So now the final thing you want to do on this landing page is to simply click on this plus button and you want to drag this button element and you want to drop it right here. So once you drop it right here, you want to then change it to install to continue. Okay. So once you change it to install to continue, then you want to click on this link icon. And this is where you want to then come over to the URL section and you want to paste in your CPA offer link right here. So once you paste in the CPA offer link like this is all you need to do to create your landing page. You want to click on this button and you want to click on publish page. It's that simple. So once you publish the page, you want to click on this button to go back to your dashboard. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And now you want to click on this generic link. So once you click on that generic link, you can upgrade to the pro plan if you want to use a custom domain. However, if you don't want to, you can use Breezy subdomain for free. So you want to click on choose, and this is where you want to type in a name that resonates with our offer. So now, as you can see, I have changed mine to Opera GX for all, and you want to click on this button. Now, if you do that, as you can see, it's going to bring you to your landing page like this. And once people come over to this landing page, all they need to do is to click on this play button to watch this 30 seconds video about the browser. And as you can see right here, this button says install to continue. And once people click on this install to continue button, it's going to take them to the offer page. And once they download it to their browser, you make easy $3.77. And like I said, this social proof right here helps a lot with conversion rates, as people already know and trust this brand right here, which in turn is going to help you boost your conversion rate as well. So once you do that, the final step is driving traffic. And now I'm going to show you this website, which is primarily UK traffic coming over to this website every single day. As you can see, the website is hotukdeals.com. This is a website where people from United Kingdom come over to get discount codes and freebies. All right. And if you come over to SimilarWeb, if you scroll down here, you can see over 90% of this traffic is from United Kingdom alone. And we already know this CPA offer wants traffic from United Kingdom only. So this way you can come over to get free traffic from this website. So once you come over to this website, what you're going to be doing is very simple. All you simply need to do is to navigate to the category related to that CPA offer. And as you can see, which is gaming right here. So all you simply need to do is to click on gaming. And if you do that, you are going to see a lot of listings being released virtually every hour on this platform. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see people are constantly leaving comments on this platform. So if I click on this post here as an example, you can see 1 hour ago, this person made this comment on this post. And as you can see, you can create an account on this platform and you can share your landing page link for free promoting this CPA offer. So once you come over to the gaming section, all you simply need to do is to come over to the comment section and you want to make a post promoting that offer. It's that simple. All right. And to do that, you want to create a free account by clicking on the register now button. And that way you're going to be able to leave a comment on all of these posts. So the more comments you post on this website, the more traffic you're going to get to your landing page and the more conversions you are going to get, because we already know these people here are interested in gaming deals and gaming offers, as you can see right here. Okay, you can see over 5 million comments have been made in this niche alone. So you can basically add comments every single day, and I can assure you, you are going to get a lot of traffic to your landing page, which will then lead to conversions for you and make money for you in passive income.